Hey y'all, it's Tanika. Here we keep it real relatable. Today we're starting part 1 of my wash day series. And you already know, it starts with the takedown. I'm taking out my son's braids here that have definitely done their job these past few weeks. I believe these have been in maybe for about 3 weeks. If you're a mom, you also know this part can feel like a workout. But I actually use this time to slow down a bit, talk with them, check in, and just be in the moment. Because between work, school, and everything else, sometimes this is the only still time we get together. So I start by gently, the part you don't see is that I do put light oil to his hair just to keep it more moisturized. So then I start by gently separating each braid to avoid pulling or breakage. You'll see me working in sections here because rushing this part just leads to more tangles. So I'm just taking my time to thoroughly take these braids out. And let's be honest, we all get tired halfway through, but I remind myself that healthy hair starts with patience. It's not just about how it looks at the end. It's about, taking care of what God gave us. All right, we're just about finished here. Up next is actually wash day. So we'll deep clean, detangle, and get his hair ready for a fresh style. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and follow along, because over here, again, we keep it real, we stay consistent, and we take care of our crowns one strand at a time. Almost finished with the last few braids. Once they're taken down, I will start to detangle. This also makes the wash process a bit easier. Still at it. Yeah, his hair has a bit of dandruff. But of course, with the deep clean, we will get that taken care of. Here, I'm just gently detangling it to get some of the lint build up from the roots, twisting it down to prepare for the wash day. He has some thick hair. There you have it. Thanks so much for tuning in to part 1, guys, of this real relatable series. Let's keep it going. Wash day next.